Yes, ready for dictation. Start. Later, Indian Railways wanted to increase the basic salary of its ministerial employees according to the latter order issued by the Supreme Court. Stop. All the employees had written a letter in this regard earlier so that they get equivalent salary to the similar posts of their department. Stop. It is therefore additional budget also has been allotted to the department by the Ministry of Finance. Hence, the department didn't take cognizance about the pay scale of the employees accordingly. Stop passes. The central government had also interested to increase the pay scale, but the railways didn't pay the heed towards the minimum salary, and the officers had not wanted to entrust the revised pay scale rules issued by the Supreme Court from time to time. Stop. However, all unions oblique organizations had been working for the welfare of employees was able to enable or implement all the directions or guidelines issued by the department or Supreme Court about the revision of minimum salary, but certain employees against whom disciplinary action had been initiated was unable to consider the directions at that time. Stop. Those officials who had been fined for the negligent act during the probation period didn't find any way to redress or get rid of such punishment even after being on probation period having under the Railways Act 1980. Stop. The Supreme Court had also issued the order regarding the salary refixation, but even after all the employees had been avoided to get refixed salary for their post stop passes. The railways alone also needed to get a loan to fix the minimum salary equivalent of the similar posts. That's why the expenditure had increased day by day. Stop. Unions oblique organizations wanted to show the dissatisfaction with the rules and policy that had been issued by department, so the Ministry of Finance was expected to take cognizance in it being a competent authority. Stop. After the successful completion of the probation period, they were eligible to take part in the meeting being conducted for 2 days by the ministry and the then finance minister. Is better to revise the policies than the other ministers. Stop. It is therefore the center government had a choice to choose the policy in which two rules could be implemented according to the guidelines of Honorable Court. Stop. The Supreme Court had also directed to central government to decide a center to fix the meeting for finalizing the pay scales and issue certain guidelines to keep all the records safe and be stored. Stop.